Managing quantities and stockpile data has never been easier with the new Volume Report feature. Designed for professionals who rely on accurate and accessible information, this tool allows you to export a comprehensive PDF report summarizing all your annotated and measured volumes directly from the canvas with a single click. To export a volume report, you will need to have an area annotated on your canvas with a tin. In this case, we've created a tin from a grid of points. Once you have your tin, you'll need to generate the volume. In this case, we will select Auto Generate Base Tin. The volume will then be calculated, and you are able to toggle Display Cut and Fill annotations. Upon completion, you can select the tin layer that you want to export, and select Export Volume Report. This will open up a menu where you can name your file, select the unit of measure you would like to export in, as well as toggle whether you would like for the report to round to the nearest integer, reverse the cut or fill values, or export only visible volumes. By default, all volumes in cubic yards or cubic meters are rounded to the nearest integer, but you can adjust this setting as needed. That's it. A single click and all of your volumes are printed on a professional PDF for distribution. The volume report starts with a clear and concise project overview. This section includes essential details such as the project name, creation date, and coordinate system. The report provides an organized breakdown of every annotated volume in your project. For each measured volume, you'll find cut volume and fill volume, cut area and fill area, and surface areas. So what is cut and fill? In aerial photogrammetry, cut refers to the volume of material that needs to be excavated from an area, while fill represents the volume required to raise or level another area. It essentially lets the user know where to add or remove material to reach a particular surface volume. Together, these metrics are critical in applications like construction site planning, earth-moving operations, and infrastructure development. By identifying and quantifying cut and fill volumes, these tools help ensure precise material estimation and optimal project execution. Once generated, the volume report is ready for direct sharing with your team, clients, or supervisors. The polished format makes it perfect for presentations, progress tracking, or compliance documentation. By consolidating detailed volume data into a single document, you can focus on the insights and decisions that matter most. Explore the Volume Report feature today and experience a new level of efficiency in managing and sharing your aerial photogrammetry data.